Hello guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel Tech256. In this video tutorial I'm going to guide you on how to bypass input phone lock on KGTEL phones. As you can see, this phone is requesting for the password, as you can see right there. So I'm going to show you on how to unlock this phone. So let us get started. So what you need to do is to download the Miracle Box, this one right here. The download link will be under the description of this video. So let us go ahead and I show you the tools needed. You will need the Miracle Box, this one right here. The download link will be under the description of this video. So I had already installed it, it is right here. And then you also need the Miracle driver installation. The download link will be also in the description of this video. So go ahead and you extract it using WinRAR. So here's the setup. Go ahead and open it. We are going to install the drivers in order the phone to be detected in the tool. Okay, so let's close this and wait for the tool, for the driver to load up. Okay, so now go ahead and click on agree, click next. Now first of all, install the Miracle Eagle Box drivers. Install them. So I had already installed it, just that I'm going through the tutorial on how to do it. Like if your operating system is running on 32 bits, go ahead and install the RDA drivers in 32 bits. If your operating system is running in 64 bits, go ahead and install RDA in 64 bits. So my operating system is running in 64 bits. Click on next and install the drivers. So they are already installed. Done. Close the driver installation. Then go ahead and open your Miracle Box. Open it up and then you wait for it to launch. So here it is. Now what we are going to do is to look for the cold sand RDA. So here it is, cold sand RDA. Click on that. Then what we're going to do is to format the phone to reset it. Okay, click on format. Now click on start. Okay, yes. So this is our locked phone, as you can see. So what we are going to do is to grab a USB data cable. We plug it in our computer. Then we are going to switch off this phone. Just go ahead and remove the battery. Remove the battery and then you insert it again. Cover the phone. Now we are going to plug in the USB. Okay. Then when we see the master storage and the COM port, we are going to hold on 0. When we see, so when you see that, go ahead and hold 0. Yeah. Then it will be in the download mode. As you can see now, it is going to be resetted on the computer. It is resetting. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. So here, just go ahead and save it anywhere, like on the desktop, and just click on save. Then to go ahead and format, just wait. So as you can see, it is now formatting. Okay, now it is done. Go ahead and remove the battery, and then you plug it in again. So this is the moment of truth. On the phone, you'll be able to see that it has no password. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Blairtech256. I sign out.